Starting an AI automation agency in 2025 is a lot easier than people make it sound. You don't need to code, you don't need a team of engineers, and you don't need piles of cash. What you do need is one solid system that helps small businesses make more money. That's exactly what I'm going to walk you through today. I know this works because I've done it myself, and I've taught hundreds of others to do the same. Step 1. Understand the offer. I'm going to show you how to create a lead, follow-up automation with GoHighLevel and sell it to clients. Here's what that means and why it's such a strong service. Small businesses lose potential customers all the time because they don't answer fast enough. They're busy running the shop, talking to customers, or out on a job site. By the time they finally reply, the lead is gone. That's money out the window. The system you'll build solves that exact problem. It makes sure new leads get an instant reply by email, text, and even a phone call, then helps them book an appointment automatically. That means the business books more appointments, closes more deals, and makes more money. You can charge around $300 to $500 per month for this service. Clients will pay you happily because the system basically pays for itself after just a few new customers a month. The more clients you get, the higher your monthly recurring revenue will be. Step 2. Create a GoHighLevel account. GoHighLevel is essentially a one-stop shop for running automations, calendars, texts, emails, payments, and more. Instead of trying to connect 10 different apps, everything is in one place. To start, head over to their website and make an account. Once you're signed up, you'll see the main dashboard. That's your control panel for everything. You don't need to worry about branding or white labeling right now. Later, you can add your own logo and domain to make it look like your software. Right now, the goal is to get your first client and get them results quickly. Step 3. Set up the account. In the settings, add your business details. Then connect a payment processor. This part matters because you want client payments to go directly into your account. After that, set up a booking calendar. This will let leads book time with your clients automatically. Finally, connect email and SMS providers so the system can send messages. GoHighLevel gives you prompts for each step, so even if you're brand new, you'll know what to click. Step 4. Get your first client. Start reaching out to local businesses. Think of gyms, salons, dentists, contractors, real estate agents, or anyone who depends on new leads and appointments. They usually struggle to follow up quickly, which means they're perfect for this service. When you reach out, don't drown them in tech talk. Just say something like, "I set up systems that make sure every lead gets a fast reply by email, text, and call so you stop losing money. It books appointments automatically and costs between $300 and $500 a month. Do you want me to show you how it works?" Keep it that simple. Once the business shows interest, you can get on a call with them, explain how the system works, and close them. You can also list your service on freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Lots of businesses look there for help, but most freelancers only offer vague marketing help. You'll stand out because you're offering one clear system with a clear outcome, more leads turning into customers. Step 5. Build the automation. In your GoHighLevel dashboard, click Automations, then Workflows, and hit Create Workflow. Choose from Template and select Fast 5. This template gives you the full structure already laid out, so you're not starting from scratch. Here's what it does. The trigger is a new lead. That could come from a form on a website, an ad, or anywhere else a customer might submit their info. As soon as that happens, the system automatically creates an opportunity, so it's tracked in the pipeline. The first step is instant contact. An email goes out right away using a built-in template. You should edit the wording so it matches the business, but keep it short, clear, and focused on the next step you want the lead to take. At the same time, the system also fires off a text message. This makes the business look fast and professional, even if the owner is too busy to respond personally. If there's no reply after 2 minutes, the system doesn't just stop. It makes an automatic phone call to the lead. If the lead doesn't answer, it drops a pre-recorded voicemail. This should be a short and friendly message, nothing fancy, just something like, "Hey, we saw your request come through. Give us a call back, reply to this text, or grab a time on our calendar." If the lead replies at any point, the system knows what to do. If the reply is positive, it automatically sends the link to the booking calendar, so they can lock in a time without all the back and forth. If the reply isn't positive or is unclear, the system sends an internal notification to the business owner or their team, so a human can step in and handle it directly. There's also an optional step built in for the next day. If the lead still hasn't responded, the system can send another text or email to re-engage them. Step 6. Customize. Once you've loaded the workflow, you need to customize it for your client. Change the email so it has their logo, colors, and wording that match their brand. Edit the text message so it sounds natural but still includes the booking link. Upload a voicemail recording that sounds friendly and human, not robotic. And make sure the calendar is set to the right hours, with reminders turned on, so leads actually show up. Step 7. Test. Pretend you're a potential customer for the business and go through the whole thing. Fill out a form, see if the system creates an opportunity, check if the email and text arrive instantly, wait to see if the call and voicemail happen, and reply to test both the positive and negative paths. This part is important. Don't hand it to a client until you've tested every single piece. If something feels off, fix it before they see it. Clients will notice if the messages have typos or if the calendar link is broken. A smooth system makes you look professional, and that's what keeps clients around. Step 8. Grow and scale. Once you get a new client, you don't need to start over. Just duplicate the workflow, plug in their details, and connect it to their forms or ads. It's the same system every time, which means you can scale fast. One client at $400 a month is nice. 10 clients is $4,000 a month in steady recurring income. That's the power here. You're not chasing one-off jobs. You're stacking monthly payments you can count on. As you grow, you can white label GoHighLevel, so it looks like your own software brand. That builds even more trust, because clients log into your platform, not someone else's. Later, you can also add more services, like automations for collecting reviews, sending reminders, or reactivating old leads. But keep your focus simple at the start. Perfect the lead follow-up system, and build your base income first. Remember, businesses don't care what software you're using. They don't care what the back end looks like. They care that their phone is ringing, their calendar is full, and they're not losing leads anymore. That's why they'll pay you every single month. Which businesses will you offer this service to first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.